Now cells and batteries. So it's specifically we are going to see what is a cell and a battery. So a cell is a source of EMF on which works on the principle of converting chemical energy into electrical energy. So any cell, it is going to produce an EMF because of this reaction. Converting the chemical energy into electrical energy is called as a cell. Practically, the voltage of a single cell is not sufficient to use in any application. So what we do, we connect various cells in series. So series means voltage gets added. So all the voltage will be added, and totally you'll get a high voltage coming out from the series or parallel combination of cells. The various cells, when you're going to combine, it is going to be called as a battery. The battery is a series or parallel combination of cell. Cell is the basic unit which is going to use the principle of conversion of chemical energy to electrical energy to produce an EMF. And the EMF is proportional to the how much ever chemicals you are going to have inside the battery. If the chemical level is high, means the EMF will be high. When you find that the battery is not working, means it has dried up. So all the chemicals have been converted into electrical energy. Okay, so a battery is a series or parallel combination of cell, and cell is the basic unit producing EMF. So we actually use the terms wrongly in our everyday life. So we actually remember cell is the basic unit of EMF, and battery is a combination of cells in a particular order, whether it can be series or parallel. Types of cells. We have so many types of cells. First one is primary cells. Primary cells, you are going to use the chemical reaction only, and it is yes. Anybody is having doubt? Okay. So primary cells, we are going to the chemical reaction is not reversible. Means you have to replace the entire cell by a new one. The cell is going to be dry, so they can produce only limited amount of energy. How much ever chemical it is there inside the cell, that much only. Till the chemical is there, you will get the voltage. When the chemical is completely reacted, you will not be getting the voltage, and you have to throw it and replace a new cell. Okay, reverse not reversible means you cannot reuse these cells again and again. So mostly the electrolytes or non-electrolytes are used for primary cell. Various types of primary cells are, it is dry cell, mercury cell, zinc chloride cell, lithium cell, and alkaline cells. So all these cells cannot be reused, or the chemical reaction cannot be reversed. நீங்க நம்ம மொபைல் போன்ல யூஸ் பண்ற பேட்டரி வந்து we are charging it again and again, right? So it is a reusable battery where the chemical reaction is reversible, and you can use the battery again and again. Okay, so primary cells la one time usage, and I cannot reverse the chemical reaction which is happening inside the battery. Until as long as the chemical is there, you will get voltage. Once the chemical is dried up, you cannot get the voltage from these types of cells.